Hi, this is Ian Soper, once again with Owens State Community College Disability Resource Center. And this video is just a quick explanation of the Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Edge. Now, Microsoft Edge is a web browser that is built into Windows 10. It will probably be familiar to you as the little blue E in the bottom left side of your Windows 10 taskbar. I really like it, and one of the reasons is that Microsoft has built in a screen reading program. It reads the words that are on the page. First of all, you need to make sure your Windows 10 is up to date. They rolled this update out. It's been over a year ago now. If your computer's out of date, it may not have this option. To activate Read Aloud, go to the website that you want, highlight the words you want it to read, then right-click. And when you right-click, it brings up this menu. The last option should be Read Aloud. If it is not there, you need to update your Windows to get the latest version of Edge. When you click Read Aloud, it's going to drop a bar on the top of the screen that gives you controls to pause the speech, advance it, change the rate of speech, change the voice. All of that will pop up. You'll see it at the top once I click it.
Welcome to Owens. We are proud to be a community college working to educate and populate the...
So up here at the top on the right, you've got an X to close Read Aloud if you don't want to see it anymore. Back and advance, track forward, track back buttons, a play button to pause and play, and then this little image of a human. When you click that, it gives you your options, your rate of speech, and then the voice you're using. Now, your voices are going to be somewhat limited to what is built into your computer. David, Zira, and Mark probably are all that you have. They're okay. They're not great voices, but you know they do fine. They're clear. So then, anytime you want to read something, whatever that thing is, you just highlight it. Then hit Read Aloud. It'll jump to where you're reading. What I like about this is that it gives you control over what's reading and when. So if there are pieces of text, different parts of the screen, and you want to jump through them in an order other than what the web designer wanted you to, you have control. You highlight what you want it to read and hit play. We're starting to recommend this for use with books. When we send accessible versions of books to students, we're sending them in a PDF format. I have an example loaded here. See, when it comes up, it scrolls. It's a PDF, scrolls, but it does scroll down nicely using the scroll wheel. What you do to get this to read is you highlight the section you want it to read and you right-click it and hit Read Aloud and then pause it using pause. You do have zoom features. To find them again, you got to close out of Read Aloud and then zoom in and out. And it'll zoom quite nicely. To get back to the Read Aloud screen, you want to highlight, right-click, and then select Read Aloud again. I like this program because it is quick, it's right there. It's built into every Windows 10 computer. It works well. The controls are simple. There are a lot of reasons to try this out. This is not the end all. There are lots of programs that'll do text to speech. So experiment. You can try searching your app stores for text to speech to find other options. This one is free, so that's always a bonus. One thing to remember is to get a PDF document opened into a web browser, as I showed you, is good for getting websites to read to you, including Blackboard. But also you can read documents with it, whether they're books or other types of documents. To open a book, and I can't really show you this because of the limitations of this screen recording software, you need to right-click on the icon of the book. And then one of the options will be Open With. You don't want to just double-click the book or it'll pull it open in your default program. You want to right-click the icon of your document and then scroll down to the option that says Open With. And Microsoft Edge should be one of the options if you're trying to open a PDF. I hope this is another good tool for you, and have a great day.